There's a dog in front of the house, and there are some letters that say you tell him to leave.
What could be under the sheet that we can't see?
It'd be like some, I think, like the tail and the leg dogs and some ball might after that dog.
The dog is upset because the skunk is eating its food, and dogs just get food once a day.
Because that's not a dog. And the skunk is eating the dog's food, and the food is like nasty because it's circled. I think the dog isn't going to chase after the skunk because the skunk might have a bad smell when the dog comes.
The skunk will pee on the dog, and it's a horrible smell that you can't take with a bath.